Hello, we're going to be talking about how to factorize quadratics. So when a quadratic expression is in this form, ax squared plus bx plus c, we're going to find two numbers that add to give us b and then multiply to give us c. So we're going to be looking at the negatives and the positives. We're going to be careful with them as we work along. So now when a is equal to 1, we've got this example 1. So we're going to find two numbers that add to give us b and two numbers that multiply to give us c. So now we're going to find two numbers that we can multiply to give us 10. And these two numbers could be 1 and 10, 2 and 5. So because 2 plus 5 is going to give us plus 7x, we're going to choose this one. So what I'm going to do now is x squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. So it doesn't matter if the 5 comes first or the 2 comes first. So next thing is to have this expression, find the common number for the left hand side and then find the common number for the right hand side. So for this one, we've got that x is common to both numbers. So we've got x and then we put x in the bracket plus 2. Bracket closes. Now we deal with this one. We have to remember to put this positive sign here, plus, and then we find the common number between these two, which is 5. We've got x plus 2. So please make sure that what you have in the bracket on the left-hand side is the same as the right-hand side. So your answer is going to be bring in this and then this. You take one of it, x plus 2. So we can say that we have factorized this quadratic. Now we're going to look at example 2. Here, example 2, we've got x squared plus 2x minus 8. Again, we're going to look out for two numbers that when we multiply will give us minus 8, and when we add will give us 2. Now we've got 1 and 8, and then we've got 2 and 4. So we have x squared, we're going to take this one, x squared minus 2x plus 4x minus 8. We're going to halve this expression and then bring out the common number or the common alphabet, which is this x. In bracket, we've got x minus 2. Make sure that what you have in the bracket for the left-hand side is the same for the right-hand side. So remember to put this plus, we've got 4 is common in bracket x minus 2. So we can see that what is in the bracket is the same. So we bring out x plus 4 in bracket, x minus 2 in bracket. So this is your answer for example 2. So the next we're going to be looking at is factorizing quadratics when a is not equal to 1. So we can see from the example, all right, from this example, we're going to figure out what to do. So in the previous slide, we had just the x and not 3x because a was equal to 1. So but for this one, we've got that this question a is not equal to 1. So we're going to multiply the A and the C. Remember we had ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to multiply A and C. So we have 3 times 6 will give us 18. 3 times 6 is 18. So we have to get the factors of 18. So we've got 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. So we're going to find out two numbers that when you add will give us minus 11. So we've got that it is this one. So we rearrange 3x squared minus 9x minus 2x plus 6. We're going to have the expression, deal with the right and deal with the left. So we get the common number, which is 3x. In bracket, we've got x minus 3, bracket closes. Remember this sign here, we've got minus 2 in bracket x minus 3. I'm sure many of you will be wondering, why is it not plus 6? It is not plus 6 because we got the negative and we got the positive. And when these two are together, the negative is always stronger. So when we try to expand this, it will give us exactly this one. So we got minus 2 times x is going to give us minus 2x. Minus 2x times minus 3 will give us plus 6. So now we bring out our answer, which will be 3x minus 2, all in bracket, and then x minus 3, all in brackets. So this is your answer for this example 1. So we're going to be looking at example 2, which is 6x squared plus 5x minus 4. First, we're going to multiply 6 and minus 4, which will give us minus 24. So we're going to look for two numbers when we multiply will give us minus 24. So we start with 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Now that we've written all of this down, we're going to find two numbers when you add will give you plus 5. So we'll look at 3 and 8. If we take away 3 from 8, we're going to get plus 5. So we've got 6x squared minus 3x plus 8x minus 4. I'm going to have this expression, find the common number for this. That will give me 3x is common, and I've got 2x minus 1. And I move over here, plus what is common is 4, 2x minus 1. Now it's time to reveal the answer. So we've got 3x plus 4 in bracket, and then we've got 2x minus 1 in bracket. When you try to expand these two brackets, it will give you this. Okay? I hope you understand what I have done when A is equal to 1 and when A is not equal to 1. Okay, if you've got any comment, please can you pop it on the comment section. And this is where I stop for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.